Hello, everyone. I'm Nancy, pampered with diamonds, and I have a new kit up system. I have a new kit up system. I found this on a local auction page. All auctions start at $1, and then everybody bids. And you have 24 hours to put a bid in, and I got this system for $7. 7. What did I get? Oh, let me show you. I got this $120 system, and I'm going to have you go through it with me so I can see what I'm going to keep and what I'm not going to keep. So the reason these jars are out are because they had drills in them, and I used them for my ASMR video. So this system has 120 jars in it, but it actually only has 100. What's 6 from 120? Come on, guys. 114. It only has 114 jars because the other 6 jars are lost. She couldn't find them. So that's fine. It's still worth it for 114 kit up system, because I think my largest painting has 97 colors, and I think that's Candy Waterfalls, and I'm going to actually use this for Candy Waterfalls. So let's, and it comes with the 2 layers, 60 each layer, and it came with some spare drills, but I emptied those for an ASMR video. They looked like they were Make Market or budget friendly drills. Oh, wait a minute. There's more packets in here. Yeah, they look like they were budget friendly. And I'm not going to keep these. I am just going to dump them in here. I didn't even get to ask her if she was a diamond painter. That just decided the hobby wasn't for her. Look, I still had another one. Let's just dump them in there, and we'll put this one right there. So, yeah, I thought maybe they were Make Market drills, but I don't think so. So here are some stickers. And we have used wax, which we're going to move over there because that's going to be my trash pile. This is going to be my trash pile right there. And these pens, 2 of these pens were used. That's used, but I don't need these because I do donate these pens to a local art shop. They use them for projects. So here is a bag of baggies. That one's all crinkled up. I don't know what these are for. These clips. They look like plastic hair bobby pins. Remember bobby pins? They look like plastic bobby pins. If you know what these are, put it in the comments for me. Okay, so I got a straightener, which I don't use. Let me move the scissors. And a purple tray. I do give the trays. I do not like this style of tray. And this tray is warped, but it'll still work, I'm sure. And more wax, more trays. This all came with it. I guess she gave up the hobby And these are all wax squares. So, and we got this. I'm not sure what this is. I think this holds these, or maybe these. I'm not sure what these hold, because these containers are too small. And these, well, they kind of fit there. So if you wanted to put one for your wax, you could. You could also use it for holding a cover minder, if I could find a small one. You can put your cover minder there. And then these are for trays, like if you're doing a high confetti area, you could put 4 colors. I suppose this would come in handy for candy waterfalls, because there's a lot of confetti in that one. But, you know, these go there. I don't know that I'm going to use this, but it does sound like a good idea for the high confetti areas. So I'll probably keep this in there with 4 good trays. And I don't like the dark ones because they're hard to see the drills. Okay, here's 4. I'm going to keep 4 there. It might come in handy. I might use them. I'm not going to get rid of them yet. So, and I do like to keep a regular pen with a straightener in the kits. And I do like to keep a putty or a wax in there and a cover minder. Cover minder. I like this cover minder. It's nice and thick. That will go in there as well. And then I do like to put 2, I don't want to use that baggie, 2 baggies in here. One for trash drills at the end of the thing. But I don't really save trash drills anymore, and spare drills. I'll probably use this bag. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to keep this bag. I'm just going to keep this bag of baggies in here for if I substitute any drills out, I can put some in the baggies and keep them in here. But I don't know that I'm going to need to do that with Candy Waterfalls, because it's a Diamond Art Club piece and we all know they have lots of bling. So I don't know if I'm going to need to. And I don't need this straightener because it's a square canvas and squares pretty much straighten themselves out. So I don't really need this. So I'm super excited for this. I don't need all these waxes, all these pens. The pens are going to go in my other section. And so this is my new 120, 114 kit up system. So I do have this storage system for my rounds, but they're all full. So those are actually square drills. I misspoke. So, oh, the wax, wax will probably fit in there. No, it won't. It's too big. Okay, so it won't fit. Okay, so this is my new system. Put in the comments if you have a big one like this. It's pretty nice. I like it. Candy waterfalls will go in there. And I'm going to keep the labels, but I won't need them for candy waterfalls. So I'll keep them right here. Put this back over here. Put that there. And these, let me show you. Well, I can't get to them right now. But does anybody need this stuff? I'll even throw in those bags. Anybody need this? Let me know. And do you know what this is for? Let me know if you know what this is for. I think I know what it's for. I think they're clips to put on to hold your project on your light pad, but I'm not 100% certain. I think that's what they're for. So let me know if you need this kind of stuff still. All right, everybody. This is just my quick show off what I got. And have a wonderful day and be kind. Be kind, everyone.